Currently, interest on certain bad or doubtful debts made by scheduled banks and other financial institutions is allowed to be offered to tax in the year in which this interest is actually received. Stock, I propose to extend this facility to deposit taking as well as systematically important non-deposit taking NBFCs. Also stop to promote the International Financial Services Center in Gift City series of measures have already been taken in the past by this government. Stop with a view to further incentivizing the IFSC. I propose to further provide several direct tax incentives to an IFSC, including 100% profit linked deduction under Section 80 LA in any 10-year block within a 15-year period, exemption from dividend distribution tax from current and accumulated income to companies and mutual funds, exemptions on capital gain to category third, and interest payment on loan taken from non-residents. Stop, I propose to give relief in levy of securities transaction tax by restricting it only to the difference between settlement and strike price in case of exercise of options. Stop, India's ease of doing business ranking under the category of paying taxes showed a significant jump. Stop para. Mr. Speaker, sir, more than 120 crore Indians now have Aadhaar. Stop, therefore, for ease and convenience of taxpayers, stop, I propose to make PAN and Aadhaar interchangeable and allow those who do not have PAN to file income tax returns by simply quoting their Aadhaar number and also use it wherever they are required to quote PAN. Stop, pre-filled tax returns will be made available to taxpayers, which will contain details of salary, income, capital gains from securities, bank interests and dividends, etc., and tax deductions. Stop. Information regarding these incomes will be collected from the concerned sources such as banks, stock exchanges, mutual funds, EPFO, state registration departments, etc. Stop. This will not only significantly reduce the time taken to file a tax return but will also ensure accuracy of reporting of income and taxes. Stop. The existing system of scrutiny assessments in the income tax department involves a high level of personal inter- interaction between the taxpayer and the department, which leads to certain undesirable practices on the part of tax officials. Stop. To eliminate such instances and to give shape to the vision of the Honorable Prime Minister, a scheme of faceless assessment in electronic mode involving no human interface is being launched this year in a phased manner. Stop para. To start with, such assessments shall be carried out in cases requiring verification of certain specified transactions or discrepancies. Stop. Cases selected for scrutiny shall be allocated to assessment units in a random manner and notices shall be issued electronically by a central cell without disclosing the name, designation or location of the assessing officer stop the central shall shall be the single point of contact between the taxpayer and the department stop. This new scheme of assessment will represent a paradigm shift in the functioning of the income tax department stop. Mr. Speaker, sir, our government has taken a number of initiatives in the recent past for the promotion of digital payments and less cash economy stock to promote digital payments. Further, I propose to take a large number of measures stop to discourage the practice of making business payments in cash stop. I propose to levy TDS of 2% on cash withdrawal exceeding 1 crore in a year from a bank account stop. Further, there are low cost digital modes of payment such as Beam, UPI, UPI QR code, Aadhaar Pay, certain debit cards, NEFT, RTGS, etc., which can be used to promote less cash economy stop. I therefore propose that the business establishments with annual turnover more than 50 crore shall offer such low cost digital modes of payment to their customers.